Hi boys and girls, I'm very happy to be here today to do this really fun part of our volcano. We're going to erupt it today. So let's get started. You're going to need a few things. First of all, baking soda. The next thing you're going to need is vinegar. The baking soda is kind of like a powder. You can see that. The vinegar is a liquid. And putting the powder and the liquid together and mixing it up, we're going to make a solution. And that solution is going to make an eruption. All right, so this is how we're going to do it. Hopefully you had time to paint your volcano. And if you didn't, that's all right. And I added some red magic marker to make it look like the lava, that liquid, that hot liquid that erupts from that volcano. I also have a box with sides on it so that my lava doesn't go too far all over the place, but you really don't need this. And this lava isn't really hot, so it's not going to hurt anyone. I'm going to put mine right in the box. Right, there's the top, and remember the top, there's an opening, but it doesn't go all the way down in. All right. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take 2 cups. One of the cups we're going to put some vinegar in. And the fun thing about this experiment, boys and girls, is you can do it over and over and over again, as many times as you like. So here's my vinegar. When you pour it, smell it. It's got that vinegar smell, which I kind of like, actually. Now in this cup, we're going to put a little bit of the baking soda. Okay, so we have vinegar, baking soda. Notice how they look different. One is a liquid, one is salt. All right, now I brought out a little red food coloring because I kind of want to make mine look like real lava, so it would be red. I'm going to pour just a little bit into my vinegar. Just a couple of drops. All right, there we go. That's set. Boys and girls, now that we have our baking soda ready and our vinegar, get yourself a spoon. Put a spoonful of baking soda and put it right in the top of your volcano. Now, are we ready? Take your cup of vinegar and you're going to slowly pour it into your volcano. Watch the reaction of the vinegar and the baking soda. That solution you're making is going to cause a reaction. And it's kind of like a volcano exploding. All right, are you ready? You have your cup of vinegar? Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. What do you think? Pour it in a little at a time. Keep going. You should get another. Ah, that is beautiful. Watch what's happening. Look and see. I see bubbles in mine. And it may be going down one side more than the other. Remember I told you about volcanoes not being perfectly straight? So one side may be getting more of the lava than the other. But that's all right. See what else you discover about your volcano as it's exploding. I pop a bubble there. Try it again. Isn't that awesome? And boys and girls, as I told you, you can keep adding more baking soda and more vinegar and keep watching your volcano explode, explode, explode. Thanks for doing this with me. Have fun.